Hey guys, okay, so sorry I could not be there for today. I wish I could, but currently right now I'm probably on a plane. But I made this video for you guys so that you can have some extra explanation of what you're gonna do today. So you are gonna be doing two things. The first thing is gonna be on my Google Classroom. It's gonna say either 6th grade, Flipgrid, 10-20-20, like it'll have the date, or it'll say 5th grade, Flipgrid, 10-20-20. On there, you're gonna see two things attached. You're gonna see the If You See a Monkey PowerPoint that we've been going over and the link to the Flipgrid. What you're gonna do first is you're gonna review section B of the If You See a Monkey, like each instrument, every color of like each colored instrument. So the purple, the blue, the green, yellow, red. Once you get comfortable enough with each instrument, I want you then to go to the Flipgrid link and record yourself doing each instrument of section B. What that means is you are gonna do it like we would in class. So you're gonna do purple, and for example, like if you're doing purple, you're gonna do taka-demi, 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 and then you're gonna repeat and do it again, taka-demi, 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 like we would in class. Then you're gonna move down to blue and do the blue. Then you're gonna move down and do the green. I made the videos long enough for Flipgrid so you can do each instrument all in one video, but if you're more comfortable doing each color in one video, that's fine too, but I would prefer if you put it all in just one video. Make sure when you're making the video as well, you say the rhythm for each color. So if you're doing purple, like I said, you're gonna have to say taka-demi or ta or whatever is there on the color. This is for me to see if you have it down. If do your best. There's not gonna be anybody to help you if you don't remember a color or what to do. You're gonna have to think, okay? You're gonna have to put your thinking caps on, try to remember. We've been doing this so much, you should be able to remember by now. The second thing you're gonna be doing, once you're done with the Flipgrid, raise your hand, let the sub know, because they will have a paper for you to fill out. While you're doing the Flipgrid, at this time, the sub will write countries on the board. They're gonna be all the countries that we have visited and learned about. The paper you're gonna get has questions for you, and you're gonna pick one of the countries we've learned about and research more about it. So just pick one of your favorite countries that we've learned about. The questions will tell you what to do. Make sure you read the questions so you know what to do and what to write down. You're gonna be using things like Google and stuff like that, not Google Earth, just Google, because you're gonna be researching about them, not looking at them. So once you have those two done, then if there's time, you have something on my Google Classroom called Their Choice, like 6th grade, Their Choice, 5th grade, Their Choice, which is just two things you can do. You could either do my slide that has the instruments where you could play the different instruments, or you can do the music Chrome Maker where you can create your own music. But you have to finish the first two things first, the Flipgrid and the paper, before you can do your choice. And that's just something fun to do at the very end if you have time. But make sure you get the first two things done, and I will be looking at them and I will be grading them. So make sure you get them done and done correctly. But other than that, have a good rest of the day, and I will see you after fall break.